Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, which means that I have another quick and easy video for you guys. And this week I'm going to be making a wine station. Yes, I found these cute little frames at Dollar Tree and I was like, you know what? Let's make a small wine rack out of this, a small tray and a napkin holder. Why not, right? All right, and it's going to look like $1,000,000. Well, maybe like 20. Let's get started. So let's start from easiest to easy because they're all easy. This is probably gonna be the shortest video I've ever done. So let's start by taking this annoying things off. And that was the hardest part of this project. Next, you're going to use nail polish remover and a cotton ball to erase the numbers on the shopper. Now I'm going to use super glue to glue my shoppers together. I place a cup on either side of my napkin holder because although super glue is supposed to glue instantly, it's not doing so on the metal because it is heavy. So I'm just gonna give it a couple of minutes. For the tray, I'm going to pretty much do the same with my shoppers. I'm going to erase the numbers with nail polish remover. Next, I'm going to erase old clock from my frame. I'm just going to leave the word wine on it. So I'm just going to turn it over and then I'm going to grab more nail polish remover and I'm just going to erase that. A little bit of Windex. Now I'm going to add super glue to bond. So now I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to secure with some hot glue. And that's pretty much it. The very first thing I'm going to do for my wine rack is erase the letters on one of the frames. So this is all going to go. Now I'm going to turn my frame back over and I'm going to add one shopper right here and then another one right there. Make sure that it's center. And for my top frame, I'm only going to use hot glue. You can leave it as it is or you can add an extra touch of metal. I think I'm going to go ahead and add this right on here. And that's it, guys. Here's my wine station that I made with items from Dollar Tree. Here I have a small wine rack, a tray, and a napkin holder. This trio will be great for small spaces. You can place it in your dining room or you can place it in a corner in your kitchen. You can use it indoors or outdoors at your next party or dinner party. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which of the three you like best, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.